Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your design tokens with Style Dictionary, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what design tokens are and their significance in your workflow. Design tokens are the visual design atoms of your product's UI. They represent values for colors, typography, spacing, and other design elements in a consistent and reusable manner. Next, familiarize yourself with Style Dictionary, a tool for transforming design tokens into different formats. Download and install Style Dictionary via NPM if you haven't done so already. Open your terminal or command prompt. Run the command npm install Style Dictionary save dev to add Style Dictionary to your project. Once installed, create a new directory in your project to store your design tokens. Inside this directory, create a new file named tokens.json. In this file, define your design tokens in JSON format. For example, you can start by adding colors like this. JSON, color, primary, value, hashtag 007BFF, secondary, value, hashtag 6C757D. After setting up your tokens, create a configuration file for Style Dictionary. Create a file named config.js in the same directory. In this file, import Style Dictionary by adding the following line. JavaScript const Style Dictionary equals require Style Dictionary, then configure Style Dictionary to read your tokens. Define a source that points to your tokens.json file. Also, set a platform in the config to specify the output format you want. For example, to generate a CSS file, add the following code. JavaScript module.exports equals source tokens.json platforms CSS transform group CSS transforms attribute/cti name/cti/kebab color/css build path build/css/ files destination tokens.css format CSS. After saving your configuration, run the build command. In your terminal, execute npx Style Dictionary build. This command will generate the output files as specified in your configuration. Navigate to the output directory and confirm that the files were generated correctly. You can open the generated tokens.css file to view the formatted design tokens. Now that your tokens are backed up, consider using version control to manage changes. Add your design tokens directory and build configurations to your version control system. This ensures that you can track changes and revert if needed in the future. Regularly update your tokens as your design evolves. Lastly, integrate your design tokens into your development workflow for seamless use across your projects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.